Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fast forward in CapCut. Okay, for today's tutorial guys, we're going to use CapCut PC, but I think there is no big difference between CapCut PC and CapCut mobile. So if you want to fast forward in CapCut, you can select your video first like this, and then you're going to go to the speed. And here you can customize the speed of your video. You will have three options: standard, curve, and also velocity effect. And I'm going to choose the standard. And I'm going to make it faster. Yeah, just like this. But if you want to make specific part faster, you can use curve, but it's not free. But don't worry, because you have to use this for free guys. And here you can select custom, or you can choose the available curves, and I'm going to choose custom. Okay, and here you can choose the part that you want to fast forward. For example, I'm going to select this part, and for this part I'm going to make it faster. Okay, and for this part I'm going to make it slower. And yeah, let's see it guys. Okay, and just like that, you can customize the specific part that you want to fast forward using the curve. Okay guys, and that's how we can fast forward in CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.